My GE oven model jkp17wov1ww keeps beeping and showing probe, bake. How do I get the beeping to stop, and what do I need to do to fix it?
Can you guesstimate how old your GE is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
20 years model jkp17.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. The problem that the oven is referring to is the meat probe that can insert it into the receptacle on the side wall inside your oven. Open the oven door, which has the meat probe jack inside, and turn the circuit breaker off to the oven. Try to clean out the meat probe jack with white vinegar and a Q-tip in case oil has worked its way inside. Allow the jack to dry out and then flip the circuit breaker back on. If the probe light continues to come on, you'll need to order and replace the probe receptacle because it has failed, and just think that the probe is plugged in when it's not. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
The vinegar did not work. Where can I get the part I need?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.